Hey guys, I know that this video is a little bit longer than I intended, but if you stick around and watch until the end, trust me, there is something that you will learn. If it's even one thing, you will learn, or something that you can teach somebody. So stick around to the end. I love you. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, you are welcome to enter to the island vibes. Okay, so if you're new here, my name is Karine, aka Island Girl, and as you can tell in my accent, I am Jamaican. So welcome, and I hope everybody's doing well. You had a great Christmas and a great New Year's, and now that the holidays are over and done with and reality is back on us, I hope that everyone starts to work on their dreams and their aspirations that you set out for the new year. I know for myself that I have started, because in a previous video, I don't know if you remember, I told you that I was getting back into hair because that's what I really love to do. And I have been, as you can see, I have been working on hair because this was made and customized, bleach and everything by me. So I've been working on here, and that's what I'll be doing all year, just here and my business. But besides that, I'm just here today to give somebody out there a word of encouragement, somebody that thinks that they're not good enough, somebody that thinks that if I don't sell myself short, that I won't be enough. I'm here to tell you that you are enough. Never let a man, never let nobody tell you that you are not enough. Don't think that you have to sleep with a man on the first date for him to love you. Don't think that you have to sleep with him in the first week for him to love you. Don't think that you have to sleep with him the first month, the first 2 months, the first 3 months, even the first year for him to love you. A man will love you regardless of seeing what your underwear looks like. There is men out there, good men. There is good and there is bad in everything. But there are still good men left out there that will love you and want to get to know the real you and not what God gave you. There is real men out there that will take the time to date you, the time to get to bond with you, because relationship is not just about sex. And that's the thing with women. Women get connected through sex, and men knows that, and they play on that. You understand? So you have to be careful, because when you go that route so early, it kind of shadows everything. You miss all the red flags, because that part is so great that the red flags become the back burner, and then 5 months, even 3 months, even 2 months down the road, you're like, wow, what was I even thinking? What was I even thinking? Who is this person that I'm with? You understand? So in this day and age, 2022, you just have to be careful. And as a young girl growing up, I used to think that if I don't lay on my back on early in the relationship, then that would prevent the person from staying. You understand? Because society, our men try to manipulate us. Some men, not all, because they have good men. Some men try to manipulate us and tell us that, oh, whether you give it on the first day or whatever, then that will make a difference. And we're like, okay, I will give it up. And then boom, 2 days or even the day after they get it, you call and you call and you call and you call, and they just keep ignoring your call. And then when they finally pick up, they're like, oh, I'm so busy and whatever, all the lies. So they make us think that if we don't do that, then that they won't be interested in us, then that won't make us be wife material, to say. But if a man really wants you, you will know, because a person can tell you, oh, I love you, I love you, I want to be with you, you're the best thing that ever happens to me. But honey, don't watch all this that's coming from the mouth. A person who really loves you, they don't tell you. They will tell you, but they will show you first. They will show you. You will see it in you. You will see it in their actions towards you. They will show you more than they tell you. So watch a person's action, not their words, because word is with, they can say whatever, but they have to put the actions to what they say from their mouth. In Jamaica would say they have to put the money where their mouth is, where their mouth there. Okay, so they have to back up all that mouth with the action, with some actions. And I can tell you my story, because my husband did not know. My husband married me not knowing if I was a man or a woman, if I was a he, she. He did not know if I changed my sex, if I just look like a woman up here and down here I was a man. For 3 months we dated. We got married 3 months after we met. 3 months after we met, we got married. My husband told me that he knew I was the one from the very first day, very first conversation we had, the very first day he met me. He knew that I was the one. When he told me he loved me 2 weeks after he met me, I was like, he called me one night and said, oh, the Lord spoke to me and whatever, and that he loves me and whatever. I was like, this man, this man is crazy. What the hell is this brother talking about? He think that this Jamaican girl is stupid, like you're gonna come with this lame line that they always use, but I love you, like trying to get between you, whatever, you already know, telling you that they love you, oh, so you can fall for it. And he was there, he broke down and he was crying. I was like, is this dude crazy or something? Because I'm like, I'm not used to this. So I'm like, is he high? Does he do drugs? Is he drunk? And I'm just there and I'm just blank. I have no feeling. I'm just there, just thinking all kinds of stuff. And I'm like, okay. And then we were on the phone for about 3 hours and he was there just talking and whatever. And then 3 months later, we got married. So I say that to say that there are still good men out there. Do not sell yourself short thinking that you can't find better. Honey, there is better. I am a living testimony. I am a walking testimony that there is good, better, and best. Never settle for less, okay? And that's what I teach my daughter. And it was funny, my daughter was saying to me that the other day, and I was shocked, and I'm still shocked. He said that my husband taught her that she deserved the best. Just the action that my husband shows, and just by her, because children aren't stupid. And that's the thing. When you have kids, you have to find somebody that is respectable. Not no hugger from the street. You have to choose the men that you bring in your house, especially when you have daughters. You have to bring somebody that will give them something to look up to, because so that when they go out in society, they know the type of men to choose. So my sisters, that is very important. And I'm still shocked. My daughter is 17. And I'm still shocked that I didn't know she was paying attention and she's watching him and all of that. I had no idea, but she is. So we have to, as women, when we're choosing partner, we not just choose them for us. Because when we have kids, it's not about us. It's not just about us. You understand? We have to choose them for us with the kids. For all of us, for the family, we choose our partners for we and the kids. For us, for us and the kids. So they have something to look up to, somebody that's gonna respect them, somebody that's gonna love them, somebody that's gonna treat them right, somebody that you know you can leave, you can go to work and you know you come back, they are fed, they are clean, and they are okay. Somebody that you feel safe leaving your kids with. Somebody that your kids, most importantly, feel safe being around. Because in this day and age, it is crazy, okay? Stepmoms beating stepkids to death. Stepdads molesting girls, molesting young boys, their stepkids. So we have to choose wisely as women and as men too, because it's not just men who are abusing kids, women are abusing them too. So we have to choose wisely, okay? I don't want this video to be too long. That was just something that was resting on my mind. That was something that I just wanted to share to that's something I would tell my 16-year-old self, that I am enough. Because I have sold myself short in relationships before. I really have sold myself short. I stayed in places where I wasn't supposed to stay. My time was up and I left and I go back, and I wasn't supposed to go back. And for that, I felt I was punished, because I went back to a place that God didn't want me to be no more. And I gained the courage and I gained the strength, and I walked away. And here I am today. It sometimes is hard. It's hard to walk away, because sometimes we're saying we invest so many years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, and I just don't want to walk away. Sometimes, honey, you have to walk away. You have to find the strength. You have to dig deep and find the strength and walk away, knowing that there's someone better out there. God has somebody in place just waiting for you. The moment you walk out that door and don't look back and keep walking, God has everything already lined up. Everything will fall in place. I kid you not. I kid you not. If I had known what I know now, my life would be so different. I would have saved myself so much unnecessary stress. But then the thing is, we have to go through stuff. We have to go through stuff to gain strength and to gain wisdom. Some things come in our life as a lesson, others as a blessing. So just take everything that comes and learn from it and move forward. And until next time, be safe, be kind, and be good. Bye.